A true animal of the cloud forest is the Quetzal. Sometimes it's hard to see through the clouds, but with a name of Resplendant, it's obviously worth waiting for. The Quetzal is considered the most beautiful bird in Costa Rica, and maybe the world. The males have these outrageous tail feathers. Even the chief of the Aztecs in Mexico, Montezuma, thought they were cool and had a headdress of hundreds of their feathers. He also made a law that if anyone else was caught with a Quetzal, they had to take a walk up the pyramid, if you know what I mean. Even today, there are laws to protect them, but not as strong. Only the males have a long tail feathers and bright red breast. Sweet mohawk! As often is with birds, the females are not so colorful. These birds feed on fruits, particularly those of wild avocado trees. They often spit out the seed instead of having it go through their digestive system. But there's always one that plays with its food. And there's always the tough guy who poops even the big seeds. They build nests in rotten trees, and both parents take care of the young. Since Quetzals depend so much on these wild avocado fruits, they might not exist if these trees were cut down or if the climate changes so much they don't put out fruit.